don't think people realize how large Thai constellation leaves get. I'm gonna show you in 8 months what a 2-foot leaf looks like. Look at her! Look at her! Look at her width! Remember we got her from Costco for $39.99. I know, they're not there anymore, but we caught that sale. And I grabbed two. You remember this one in the crawler pot and in the climbing pot. And we did a test to figure out which Thai cons are gonna grow faster. Is it the crawler in the grow light or is it climber in natural light? Guess who won? Guess who won? Take a wild guess. Come on, think. It was the grow light. The grow light won, y'all. So what I did was, I said, let me put the climber inside with the grow light because that is how we get big leaves. And guess what happened? Guess what happened? Now, as you see, she is mighty large. How large, you might ask? Let's put out the measuring tape. Let's go to 2 feet, okay? From top to bottom. This is 2 feet, 2'3". This is 2'3". 2'3" in 8 months. Let's first go over a watering schedule because, you know, as Thai cons are root rot prone, we do not want to overwater them because they will die. They will die. So I keep a strict watering schedule, which is once a week. That is it. Simply once a week, you guys. Okay, let me put her back and show you guys my other one. Hold on. We have several. Let me show you my other big baby, the crawler. Ooh. Yes, look how big this leaf is. Big leaves are everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put her, will she fit? Yes, she will. Okay, slide by. But let's compare. We see this large leaf right here compared to this big mama right here. If you guys are ever wondering, okay, should I make them a crawler or a climber? They both work. It's more of a preference. Some people say the climbers produce bigger leaves. You know, this is an ongoing study. Look at this climber. Currently, the climber has the biggest leaf. Let's actually measure. Okay, so this one is 2'3" to be exact. Let's see how big this one is. Oh, this one's not even close. Well, this one is around 2 feet. This one's around 2 feet. Yeah. So this one has 3 inches on it. 2'3". This is the biggest one. Okay, let's go over soil. You might be asking, what kind of soil do I use? Simple, you guys. This is orchid bark, perlite, cactus palm potting mix, horticultural charcoal. And if you guys see, I fertilize her once a month. That is it. And she's in the same composition, you guys. Same thing, the same exact thing. Look at this big piece right here, orchid bark, I love it. The chunkier, the better. And shout out to the new leaf coming in. We got more double fenestrations. You see these holes right here. I wonder how big she's gonna be. I wonder how big, but new leaf on the way. So next on the list is lighting. And I'm gonna be completely honest, you guys. I prefer grow lights 1000%. You wanna know why? You can give as much light as possible. My grow lights are going on 16 hours a day. That's it, 16 hours, but they are full spectrum Sans-C grow lights. And if y'all are watching, please sponsor me. But this is the only grow light I use, and here's why. Let me show you. Number one, great quality. And this system has produced massive jungles. But wait, there's more. I also have one of my other stars of the show, my big giant bird of paradise that's on the same style grow light, Sans-C, same time frame. They just honestly work. But here's the biggest problem that nobody is talking about that I'm experiencing right now. Space. Oh my gosh. My Thai cons are getting so big, I'm gonna have to rearrange my plant section in my house because what are we gonna do? Okay, help me out. So our crawler is in this corner. But let me show you what's happening. So you kind of see the crowding situation going on. I like the jungle atmosphere, but listen, I know everyone's getting these Thai cons because they're at Walmart, they're at Walgreens, they're everywhere. But I don't think y'all realize how large these leaves are getting. So the space I have currently in my little green area is getting limited. I'm literally scratching my head trying to figure out what are we gonna do next? Because we have our fiddly figs right here. We might need to relocate one of them because as you see, this new leaf is actually, you see this new leaf is gonna come out right over here. So this one's gonna come out right over here. So I think we really need to move one of these to a new area just to have some lighting situation because she's not done growing. We're kind of good right here because she's gonna continue to climb up and we have around maybe another 8 months, I would say, because honestly, what happens is these leaves start turning up, right? For a perfect example right here, they turn up towards the light. So she's not fully mature yet. This leaf is still growing, but she's gonna turn up towards the light. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure out this whole section because, we love large forms, right? But when the large form starts large forming, 2 foot 3 inches, yeah, that's the next challenge. Look at my mint. She's literally fighting for her life to get some light because of this big mama. My other ones are doing fine. Everyone's doing fine down here. But you see, when they start sizing up, a good thing, but they cause other issues. And I also have this one water propagating. You guys remember the video I did about this one. She's doing great also. So the water prop is fine. She might go outside. I don't know yet. And my Aurea is fenestrating up. Ooh, look at her, oh my gosh. So I hope I answered any Thai Constellation Monstera questions you guys had as far as watering, as far as lighting, as far as maintenance, as far as size. But if I missed anything, be sure to comment below. And if you like these style of videos, look at my other videos. I have other bangers that I have dropped already previous about everything that I'm doing. But like I always say, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your auntie, tell your uncle about my page. My name is Jason. And listen, we have subscriptions activated. So if you guys haven't subscribed, drop a subscription. I'm opening a Telegram chat. We're doing a whole lot of things going on around here. So, I love y'all. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated on every project we have going on. And I'll see y'all next time. All right, peace.